Hey people, what's up? I'm here today to tell you what you need, the product you need to clean your Suede clocks. The original Suede clocks. One of my favorite sneakers, one of my favorite shoes, sorry. Very durable, strong, and like you gotta keep them looking good so they can last a long time, And what you need Suede and Nubuck protector, right? I mean, a different brand in it. You gotta use one of these products. You gotta see its clocks, you gotta see its clocks, so you know it's the real deal, right? So they say behind, they say clean first, brush with a brush, soft brush, shake, then spray, and leave for 3 minutes. So I got my little brush here, nice soft brush, not too hard. You can get it in like any convenience store, or shoe store, or clock store. They might have it selling it there. So what you need to do is to brush it. Well, I already brushed it already, but just telling you, like it was really dirty, it was really. So I'm telling you you gotta use this and a soft brush. Okay, people, and you gotta take your time. Just brush it like this. See? Never do this. We just keep brushing one way. One way you gotta brush. Don't brush the opposite way. Just keep brushing one way. Don't go like back and forth. Just keep brushing one way. Alright? Just like this. One way. Next one. Just keep brushing one way. And you'll see a big difference. Okay? Spray it. Spray the product. Okay. Just keep brushing again. One way. On the sides. One way. One way, people. Okay, that's how you clean your clocks. The product and the brush. Okay, people. Peace.